projekts We Make Transition sniedz mums lielisku iespēju īstenot lietas, ko vēlamies sasniegt jaunizveidotā bioreģiona konceptu iedzīvināšanai Vidzemē.
Man ideālā situācija būtu tāda, ka, ja es ieejot jebkurā veikalā, kas ir bioreģionā, vai tas būtu lielveikals, vai tas būtu mazs veikals, ir iespēja iegādāties bioloģiskos produktus.
I'm very excited to participate in an initiative of Bioregion here in Vidzeme, because I think it is wonderful opportunity for us to make more sustainable society here, to think more about how we use our land, what we eat, how we make our business, and how we communicate with each other. So I hope we will manage to create first bioregion here in Latvia.
Last year we developed a bioregion by setting 6 principles how we want to work in the present and in the future. And one of the big principles, we have to promote organic farming in the region. And so I want to see that this region is the example for others and for ourselves how the sustainable future can look like.